Hey, what's up, amigos? So, this is the WEI trade. I'm gonna be doing daily recap and meditation videos. I have done meditation videos, but the reason why I haven't uploaded it is because I don't have an editing software. Anybody knows how to do that or can edit or help me with the YouTube, I'm happy to take your input. Also, the intention is to um, I forgot. Anyway, just gonna recap. WEI. So the video on here, I'm going to recap WEI and uh, KXIN, and I did CBLI in a different video. I'm going to try and do this to hold myself accountable. I do it often on private, like by myself, because I don't like the social media exposure. And yeah, but I don't. There's benefits, pros and cons to it. I haven't done it as often as I should. So I'm doing it with some friends, and I figured I might as well do it here too. Oh, you guys have a better way of recapping? Let me know. So good. Okay. Check filings. No overhead. Float rotation. Developed thesis. Got sus when it washed sub-key levels, and it didn't panic on liquidity event. Good job on noticing market makers algos behavior. Keep that up. So in the other video, I noticed that I'm gonna try and not to explain. I want to do this often, so I'm gonna go at a fast pace. So one of the things I keep track is I'm not a statistical trader, but I keep track of behavior of stocks and manipulation and things like that. So that's why I went long down at 275 for all the variables mentioned above, but also the market maker had this behavior. Got good size, kind of. Yeah, I did. Got good size. Added twice. Reduced risk to 314 after I took profit and added to winner. Thesis was that if it pushes above 370, and I said that in the voice, it could see high the day. So the issue, okay, no. So we gotta focus on the good. Good job on verbalizing the thesis. Sometimes it's helpful to say it out loud. Actually, it often is. And I tend to do well when on voice. So, what some of the other good things that I did? I mean, I did try and sell the pops and buy the dips. The intent was to risk off a previous dip or key level. If super squeeze, bought on dips, knowing high probability, and here I shouldn't write this, but it's also, I'm going to verbalize it, I'm going to write the bottom one. I should have increased my size. I did, but no, I did also got back to normal size. Brain might have been tired to calculate R. But at least good job on putting it back on, even though you were long from 275, 80, still put it in there as if it's a new trade. Good job. Improvements. So one of the first things I want to look at is why the hell did I not follow my plan? So I was on a 3-minute here. So I longed off of here, 275 I think, or 280s. I think it probably got 280s. Okay, so then I said if it goes above 270, and the reason for that was here. So I sold into here, 260s. I sold some here and then I bought here. Sold here, bought here. Pretty sure. Yeah, sold, bought, sold, bought, sold, bought. Bought, and then I sold into what price level is that? 440. Why did I do that? That I don't know, because tape looked heavy. Well, tape looked heavy, and also I thought it would be the rejection. Yeah, tape was super heavy. No, I think I might have sold earlier. I wish I was that smart. I think I probably sold sooner because I was agitated. Yeah, 360. Okay, the 360s I don't mind. As stupid as that sounds, I hate having to explain myself. Actually, I sold at 370. No, that's a 370. That sale I don't mind because 370 was resistance. 390 I shouldn't have sold. I think it pushed 4 and then rejected and I sold. Yeah, that I don't mind. So these two I don't mind. But this 440 should have been. It's a stupid play, stupid sale. And like an idiot, I buy at a higher. Whoa, smaller size. I'm deep in the money. I figured it was going to squeeze. And I sold a little higher, thank God. I don't know, probably half or whatever. And then I rebought a lot here. Okay, so I sold into the 370s. And then it pushes into 413 and I sold into 395. This is good. This is good, yeah, the sale is good. How could I have improved here? I guess I have to work on my exit. So one of these things, I daydream about this, but I don't follow through. So improvement. If I know that it's a short squeeze play, if I know that it's a short squeeze play, so let me put this on black, and I don't know, black gonna work? My screen's yellow. If I know it's a short squeeze play, then I have to wait for a real big exit, which would be an indicator, which would be an indication of higher low, which I don't think it did. It never did a higher low. Yeah, stop trying to top tick. Stop trying to top tick. It's a bad idea. Stop trying to top tick, it's a bad idea. Stop trying to top tick, it's a bad idea. So, because I could have held the full size in theory, and I had a lot of confidence. That it was going to go above high of the day, and even after our plays, after our And I told the guys, and boys. So what I gotta do is, and I could have added the size a lot. So I have to be ready for this kind of stuff. Like if this ever happens, and I know. So if I fully understand that shorts are hurting, what I need to do is don't take profit, but keep doubling up. Gonna sound stupid, but I have played this dozens of times, and even though it's a rare situation, could have easily been plus 100 RR, and it could have, yeah, 100% it could have. Probably it could have been my biggest trade, and that happened last time too, in a short squeeze play. I just need to, if I have good average and I'm buying all dips, if I have good average and I'm buying dips with thought process that I can super push, I should at least attempt it, but not after hours because of stop issues. Could have gone all in theory, but completely possible. So grade overall trade was an A++. Long, risk management. From a risk on the downside, I think I did a good job because I had full size, sold, and it went up, sold, and I sold. I have like 1/10 left, and I'm holding. Even if it opens at like $4, $5, $2, I don't care. I'd say A+. I did a good job here. No, 12 minutes. I thought I'd make it fast. Well, quality over quantity, hopefully. You guys can appreciate that. So this is the other one. KXIN. Very simple trade. Good. Day 2. Play had thought process. I'm shorting only if push. That's small. Size because I knew that it would cap my mental brain, whatever. Covered large, good job. A short spike, good job. Improvement. Just hold till 4 p.m. perhaps. Just hold till 4 p.m. 4 p.m. or don't pay a lot of attention to it, which I didn't, given its smaller size. Also not a lot of meat on the menu, etc., etc. So grade of the trade, I would say was, yeah, A-. I think it had overhead, I forgot. So maybe check. Make more detail notes. Should know if it had overhead from yesterday. I know I did research on it yesterday, I forgot. Maybe I did know in the morning, but I'm just doing a quick risk management. I'd say A-, yeah, there you go. So that's the video, amigos. If you benefited, click subscribe and kind of share with somebody if it helped you. And yeah, if you want to turn the notification bell on every time I post, I usually within an hour or two, I'll answer any questions. I'm active, so see you guys later. Take care.